Brandenburg Concerto No. 3, third movement. It's in 12/8 meter. We're at the 60 per BPM. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So it's basically 4 groups of triplets. Ready, go. Suggest that you should practice a little bit slower for subdivisions. So basically you can go to about 108 but per 16th notes. Okay, so I'll give you an example. So 1, 2, 3. The advantage about practicing in subdivision means you can practice more accurately, so the notes will be displayed much more evenly. A few sections I would like to talk about is a measure 8, the string crossing. Make sure you don't use a lot of bow because that's 16th notes. Use more wrist. See my wrist? Don't go with your elbow, okay, or upper half of your arm. And the other part I want to talk about is measure 9. So basically switching from E to A string. So it's the opposite of measure 8, which goes from A to E string. You have to flip your wrist backwards. So you can practice fast eventually. So measure 10. Oh, keep your first finger down. In general, this piece should feel more like a dance. So you should emphasize the beginning of each group. So. Feels more like 4 groups of triplets.